In this video, I'll show you how to contact Meetup support. All right, as you can see here, I am on the Meetup Help Center. Now, if you don't know how to get into here, just go ahead and go to meetup.com. All right, and hit on enter. Now go to your profile, view profile, and here scroll all the way down until you find help, which is right here at the very bottom. Click on it. And what we're going to do in here, as you can see, you'll be able to see a ton of options right here, like organizing groups, events, using Meetup, accounts, and so on and so forth. All right, basically what you're going to want to do is just tap or click on an option. For example, this one, account notifications and payment. I'm going to click on it. Down here, I'm going to want to find a specific problem. For example, this one right here, some of my members were charged for dues even if they're exempt for paying. Just click on it. Now in here, just scroll all the way down until you find have questions, get help. All right, just click on it. And as you can see here, you'll be able to find the submit a request page. In here, just go ahead and select your option by just clicking on the drop down right here. All right, as you can see here, login and account access issues, policy issues, and some other stuffs. All right, let's say, for example, I have a login issue right here. I'm just going to click on it and the website will load. In here, just put in your email address, describe the login issue you're encountering. There will be a drop down right here. Select one that is necessary. All right, for example, here, I forgot how I registered on Meetup. I'm going to click on that. And in here, the questions will be changed depending on your specific prompt right here. All right, I can't complete the account. What credentials are you not receiving? For example, here, drop down, select the option. Now you're going to want to provide a list of possible email addresses that might be linked to your accounts. Mention the names of the members you've most recently sent personal messages to, and some other stuffs right here. Have you linked any credit cards, platform, subject, describe your problem request. Then you're going to want to tick on both of these check boxes right here. Tick, tick. Now, if you want to add attachments, for example, screenshots of your profile or whatever it is that is needed, just go ahead and click on add file right here and it will redirect you to your device's storage. All right. Now, once you're done with everything, just go ahead and click on submit and wait for Meetup support to reply to you. It could be 24 to 48 hours. Just patiently wait and just check your email every time. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.